Okay, this is Family Griffin heading to Sliding Rock.
So, dude.
We seem to be off track by about an hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
You told him?
So
Who cares?
You told him?
We're a great family. We love each other. So we're going to have a great time.
All right, very good.
So we're course correcting.
And I'm going to make up some time.
Okay, to charge my phone.
All right, off to Sliding Rock. Okay, so this is Rhonda.
Zoom in.
I mean, really coming up fast on this trailer, trying to make up time to head to Sliding Rock. Zooming. 40 meters per second.
Well,
How's the trip doing?
sick, dude.
Sick, dude. Suh, dude.
So, dude.
Suh, dude.
So, dude.
Suh, dude.
This truck can't get over.
It's like you guys go quiet when I start videoing.
We'll catch you later.
Why?
Record, Dad, record.
What?
Brayden.
Yeah,
Brayden!
I'm gonna kill you going.
Okay.
Yeah, get out of it. Get out of it.
I
Going.
can't.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I win. We have it on tape.
Okay.
I win. Say it out loud, going.
Okay, I'll see you tonight, Brayden. It's
What
tough.
does this mean? Is this sexual, going? I don't agree
No
with
idea.
Sure.
I don't think brothers should be talking sexual.
I don't think I would.
Oh my gosh. Do every dance move that you can think of in 5 seconds.
What was that
Go.
Hunter could... What was Hunter saying?
Hold on, okay, go ahead, Gone. That's every dance move you know? Hunter, show us your new dance move.
No.
Come on, you made it up. What was it called? The statue?
No,
What was it called?
I don't remember.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, for real.
Hey, Mr. Depressed.
Okay, I'm gonna slap
Hey,
your face.
Depression kills, Hunter.
Oh my gosh, this trailer.
Oh, look at that G.
Depression kills millions of lives.
We gotta get away from this trailer. Ooh, are your ears
With a
popping?
motorbike? Hey, Bob.
Hey, Bob. See you later, Bob.
Still behind this trailer. Oh, that was nice, Braden.
Beautiful. Give me another one,
Nobody's ears-
Brayden.
Nobody's ears are
Yeah,
popping.
mine are popping.
Yeah.
Mine are popping like some popcorn
It's kind
and
of-
some date.
This is kind of scary.
Pop it up, homeboy, just like that.
Pop it up. Pop it up. I'm walking to the closest to pop it
Hello, honk honk.
up. Pop it up. Pop it
Do
up.
you mind? Do you mind?
She's driving down. Leave him
Oh, that's
alone.
horrible. So we get off to use the bathroom, and look who passed us. We finally passed that trailer. Now we're back on the road, and we're behind him again. Oh, yeah, and we're behind this big thing. 15 minutes to Brevard. Okay,
Can I just go barefoot?
we made it here to Sliding Rock. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking it's gonna be cold.
I'm thinking you're right.
I'm reluctant, but I'm here with a Spanish boy, and so I should do it. So I'm probably gonna do it.
We're gonna do it. Let's go.
Oh, did you just
The
fart?
waterfall is calling you.
You're the only one that farts.
me. He's calling me.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking.
You're not scared of water?
No. I am not. Let's go, Brayden.
Wait, Dad, should I bring my
No,
towel?
why are you giving me that? Okay,
Yeah, we'll take it.
Nine.
Yeah, dude. Too bad.
Jace?
No, like.
Jace, are you ready? Gonna be cold?
Have gone.
Yes.
What is that for?
It's a
What does that mean?
attacking thing.
Abby, you ready?
Let's do this.
Is it gonna be cold?
Hey, Dad.
I'm afraid so.
Dad, watch this throw.
All right. We're getting the bathing suits.
No, it's not.
Hunter, you ready?
I don't want to do it.
Dad,
Oh, it's starting to rain.
Yeah, I know.
Dad. Is it that?
Are you guys ready?
So you're not going?
Here, Abby. Are you guys ready?
So you're not going?
Here, Abby. Hunter, it's a no.
Oh no. Cold.
Go on, how you doing?
Doing good! Doing good!
Yeah. Jace, give me a yeehaw!
I'm going again. That down.
Doggone it.
The aftermath. How was it, Jace?
Can you explain how cold it was? It was like cold mixed with extreme cold mixed with extreme cold.
That's a good description. All right, hit it again.
Feels good though. I think what's gonna be worse. Woo! You gotta go. Why are you laughing? So cool. I can't. Why are you laughing? Oh my God.
Can't barely breathe. If you do it again, though, you just get numb. It's safe, Justin.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Woo!
I'll post it tonight. I haven't posted in a while.
Okay, so we just finished at Sliding Rock. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
It was super cold, but it was so fun. Jace, one more. Did you have fun? No. Yes. Was it cold? Mom, did you have fun sliding down the rock?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yes.
So we're at our first waterfall. The Looking Glass.
Pisgah.
Pretty
Pisgah,
cool.
the Looking Glass. It's beautiful. So unbelievable.
It's pretty neat.
Pretty neat.
So we're at Zaxby's right now, and Dad got a salad, and
You don't cut up the lettuce too much, but it's still yummy.
so we chose Zaxby's for dinner.
They were pretty slow.
Greatest TV show you've ever seen? Go. Hunter?
Breaking Bad.
Okay.
That's awesome. That's a good one.
I have no idea.
What?
Go on.
You don't like Breaking Bad?
Better than Game of Thrones?
Oh, is Game of Thrones good?
Go and say it.
I heard it's awesome.
Is Game of Thrones good?
Jace, favorite show?
My Little Pony.
What?
No, I'm kidding. Rugrats.
You've never seen that before in your whole life.
Fine. Teletubbies.
You never watched all that?
Best show
Dr. Who.
ever created. It's The Office.
Yes!
Ooh,
All the
man.
soft. SpongeBob. I'm saying SpongeBob.
The Office is good. Best show ever? I don't know. Seinfeld is really good. Really good. I don't like Friends. I need to watch it. But Breaking Bad's probably the best show I've ever watched. All of it. I mean, it's really, really good.
Mine is Lost.
Oh, Lost is pretty good.
Your favorite?
Better than Breaking Bad though.
I've never
No.
seen Breaking Bad.